future car, but the one thing that's missing, someone stole the flux capacitor. But the car is here for you Back to the Future fans. Thank you, German in Venice, Lewis Offers in Hollywood. Please subscribe to Ruru Adventures, share my station, and enjoy the show. So let's check out this car and find out what happened and why the flux capacitor is stolen out of the Back to the Future car with Michael J. Fox and the Doc. So let's check it out, you guys. Here it is. Back to the Future car. The flux capacitor has been stolen, but it's in really good shape. So what happened? What happened to the flux capacitor? What happened to the time machine? Please tell me, did the car go back into the future and it got stolen? Let's find out through the GIV and Lewis Offer and the Back to the Future fans. What's going on here? What happened to the California plate? It's totally gone. Hey, you guys, do you know what happened to the flux capacitor? It got stolen from so it went back in time and someone stole it, and so the car went back to the regular car section. I mean, what's your intake on Back to the Future vehicle? We gotta find out what's going on here.
Yeah, you need more gigawatts. There's no doubt about that.
Totally. You heard it from the future of 2023.
2023.
Yes. So please tell me in the comments, how do we get the flux capacitor back? The car just went back to a regular car for Back to the Future fans. Please let me know down in the comments below. What happened? The future has changed. We gotta fix this car back in and get the time meter back in. And we need the unit where we put the beer and the banana peels into the machine to go back into the future. And we need some more plutonium. What happened to Doc? Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching Ruru Adventures. Until next time, enjoy the show. The DeLorean has been put back to the regular states. I wonder. We gotta find Doc. We gotta find Marty. Hey, GIV. Lewis Offer. We gotta go back to the future. Tito, don't forget. We gotta go back to the future and find out what happened to the flux capacitor. Wait a minute, there's some information right here to find out maybe what happened to the flux capacitor. Any information? And what happened to all the parts in the vehicle? Man, we gotta find out what's going on. Back to the Future fans. Let's get together and figure out this mystery. The DeLorean is back to a regular car with new technology on the flux capacitor. Go ahead.
I was just thinking of the picture of the car.
He was saying what happened to Marty McFly. I mean,
Where's Marty McFly? Where's Marty McFly?
Yeah, and the rest of the parts are gone. We got to find out what happened to this vehicle. So, I mean, can you help us figure out the mystery? What happened to the machine? But there is a small flux capacitor right in here. So, what's your input on this information about the DeLorean?
Yeah, where did find Doc?
Yeah.
Where's the doctor?
Yeah, totally. Can you figure out the mystery? You know? So thanks again. Hey everyone, I'm here at the Hillsboro Farmers Market. I'm here at the car show and Farmers Market. I'll be showing you some of the really cool cars. I already enjoyed the show, so let's check out the really cool cars here at the Hillsboro Farmers Market. We have it for the whole month of July from 5 to 8:30, so come on out and enjoy the show. They got food, wine, activities, music, recreation, shopping, and just come back and chill in the nice sunshine and enjoy the show. Oh wow, check this out. He's gonna show the engine inside his vehicle
I
here.
can open it. It used to open up.
Yep, it will open. Let's check out this engine here. It's very, very nice in mint condition. 1964 Thunderbird. You want to explain about some of the cool things about your car? And
It's pretty original. Everything's
Yeah.
right there. It's got the single cylinder. And, it starts up. It's got new wires and oil and so forth.
so,
Original radiator, and
did it take you long? Has it always been running, or has it took you long
as far as I know,
to?
it's been running. It doesn't have a lot of miles. It's got like. I'll have to look and see how many miles.
Okay.
I don't think it's a.
Nice beauty engine here. In excellent condition, 1964 Thunderbird.
It's got 84,000 miles.
84,000 miles, really low, in mint condition. So anyway, what's your name?
I'm Savage.
Savage. He also works for the U.S. Post Office, so thank you for serving our country and delivering our mail to us. You have done a really great job in serving our country, and thank you for joining our Ruru Adventures. We really appreciate it, and you'll be on my YouTube station. So subscribe to Ruru Adventures, ROO Adventures at YouTube.com. So thank you for letting me show your vehicle, and you have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
Check out this here. This car is just awesome.
Okay.
Look how nice that engine is. 1970 Corvette Classic, mint condition. Look, they even have some souvenir cars right there. Seats in mint condition, man. I would love to ride in this car. It's very, very nice. here having fun, taking pictures of the cars and everything. So this is great. Did you see the DeLorean? The information got stolen out of the DeLorean. So we got to figure out the mystery, what happened to the flux capacitor. Check out that beauty for those car lovers out there. This is definitely awesome. Barlair. What year is this Barlair? It's a 1955 Chevy Barlair. Chevy engine, streets. Comment below if you know more information about this. This is such a great car that's been totally restored. We're definitely enjoying the show. We got the DeLorean here, so we're trying to figure out what happened to the rest of the car. Because the parts got stolen. So Back to the Future fans, please tell me what happened to the parts, because we're trying to figure out what happened to the DeLorean. And the flux capacitor shrunk. So let us know down in the comments below and figure out what's going on with the DeLorean. Thank you for watching Ruru Adventures. My little man, the star of the show, Alexander Ruru. Have a Tazzy-Razzy day, everyone. Until next time, thanks for watching, and take care always.